Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. I am Isa, and I'm taking you on another travel. If you've not been here before, because I think I need to introduce myself maybe a little bit more, because there seems to be sometimes new viewers who might not know who I am. So, yeah, hi, I'm Isa. I like to travel a lot. It's kind of my thing. So this is the third and the last vlog from London. And yeah, but don't worry. The next travel vlogs are already in the making because I have already been traveling and the next trips are also planned. So we will have enough footage for quite some time, I hope. Now, let's start with this vlog. So I'm going to say bye for now and hello to voiceover Isa, who will tell you a little bit about our last day in London and how we spend it. And of course you will see it as well. So yeah, let's get the clip rolling, I guess. For our last day, we decided to visit some museums. The nice thing in London is that a lot of the museums are for free, so you don't have to pay any entrance fees. As far as I know, this is applicable to things like the National Portrait Gallery and, well, let's just say a lot of the museums are simply for free. And we decided to visit two of the museums that are quite close to each other, but of course we first had to take the train and we took our backpacks because, as in most places, we had to leave our hotel room, and so we simply took our backpacks with us. So yeah, you might see me wearing the big backpack, walking around in the museums. The first museum we visited was the Natural History Museum because we're in London. We have to see the big skeletons, right? So when you enter this beautiful, beautiful building, you will see a huge blue whale skeleton. And when you walk around, you will find some dinosaurs, you will find some stuffed animals, and, well, a lot of nature things that you can study and you can look at. And yeah, there was even a Christmas dinosaur. I don't know why, but it was fun. Now, right next to the Natural History Museum is the Victoria and Albert Museum, which is a museum that is dedicated to design and art. So similar to other museums, you will find paintings and statues and things like that, but in a way it is more meant to show off the different styles and the different design aspects of certain areas and certain time periods. Starting off, of course, with this huge, is it a chandelier? I don't know, but it's beautiful and stunning, and I hope it will never fall from the ceiling because that thing looks heavy. And yeah, you will find different statues from different areas. Most of them, I think, are not like the real ones. They're like copies in a way, because there's also the famous David statue, or the statue of David in this museum, and as far as I know, it should not be in this one, it's somewhere else. I have forgotten where, but yeah. If you're interested in design in different time periods and you want to see these kinds of things, The Victoria and Albert Museum is huge and has a lot to offer when it comes to things like that. And also, similar to the Natural History Museum, the building itself is quite pretty. For this museum, I decided I did not want to carry my backpack around anymore, so I left it at the entrance where you can leave your baggage, which was quite easy to do and, well, not cheap, but also not as expensive as it could have been, because my backpack was quite big, so yeah. The problem in London is, as far as I could tell, there are no longer any lockers at any of the stations. I do understand why. It certainly has to do with the fear of people putting things in there that can go boom, if you know what I mean. But on the other hand, it makes having luggage with you a bit more complicated because you can't leave it anywhere. There are luggage places that I have found, but they seem to be more like little shops where you can leave your luggage and not like a whole place dedicated to luggage. And because I was lazy and did not want to look up if we could leave our luggage anywhere or if I could leave my luggage anywhere, I just took it with me, and in the Victoria and Albert Museum I decided to just give it to the cloakroom, which was fine, and it worked out really, really well, so I did not have to carry my heavy backpack all the time while walking around here. Now, after visiting these two museums, we decided to spend our last few moments in Hyde Park, because this one is in walking distance from these museums. So we went up there, we had a little stroll, we said hello to the birds and the swans, and prepared ourselves for our flight back. And yeah, that was our time in London. And as I said before, I love London, I love going back there, I love exploring, and I had a lot of fun. So it won't be the last time I'll be in London, I know for sure. But for now and for this year, this has been it. So enjoy the last few minutes from the beautiful Hyde Park, and I will see you in the outro. So, that's it for my London travels, but next up there will be some Amsterdam travels, so you can look forward to that. There's also the November vlog, the in-between thing that always comes for each month, so I try to film something for each month. This time it will be a bit different, but yeah, that's coming sometime next week, so you can also look forward to that. And other than that, I of course have to remind you, as always, to like, share, comment and subscribe, because I myself tend to forget it, so I appreciate it if people do so, and if it's at the end you might not even see it because you might not watch this long, right? If you did, thank you. And other than that, I hope you're having a great December. Soon it should be like the first Advent. I'm not sure if any other countries do that, but in Germany we do like the 4 weekends before Christmas, which can include Christmas itself, are like our Advent days, and we like light a candle for each of these days. I don't know. I have never looked up if any other country does that, or especially if like it might be a European thing, I don't know. If you do it and you're not from Germany, leave it in the comment section below. And other than that, please, with the cold, with the flus going on always in winter, stay healthy, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. And I'm going to leave you, as always, with a heartfelt bye!